Cats, enigmatic creatures that captivate our hearts. These felines possess unique characteristics that set them apart from other animals. Each cat has a distinct nose print, much like human fingerprints, making them truly one of a kind. Research has revealed that cats are unable to taste sweetness due to a genetic mutation, a fascinating anomaly in their biology. Additionally, cats have a third eyelid, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and cleanliness of their eyes. These intriguing features only add to the mystique surrounding cats. They are more than just companions. They are a mystery, a wonder, a source of joy. Their enigmatic nature continues to captivate us, inspiring a deeper appreciation for these fascinating creatures. Till next time, stay curious.